Everyone, so if you're new to Udemy, I just wanted to really quickly show you a couple of little tips here. So if you're having playback issues and your video is running really slow, or if you want to post questions and answers, or if you want to leave a review, or if you want to make sure you're checking your messages, I just wanted to show you a quick little video of all of those. So the first thing you want to do, if you go to your account and you're logged in, up here you're going to click down and it will actually have a little button that says help, and because I'm already on the help page it's not showing it here, but it will be in your drop down menu when you log in. So once you click the help button, it will take you to this screen here, and they have a section here for the students, and if you happen to be an instructor, there's one for instructors as well. So let's say if you're a student, you'd want to click on student, and it's going to give you a few options here. Send a message to the instructor. You can play back video issues, so it will show you how to actually slow your screen down if you're having trouble with Wi-Fi connection. If you can't find your course, or if you have purchase issues. And then they have a few other ones down here on troubleshooting, purchases, refunds, such. Or if you're having account issues, it will cover that for you as well. So unfortunately, as the instructor, we don't get the information from your accounts because there are many instructors on here. So you may take a course from somebody else as well. So your information is all private, and it's actually through Udemy. So when you have questions, this is where you're going to want to go to have those questions answered.